Hey guys, and welcome to my latest video where I'm going to be doing a pack opening. This is my third video where I've done a pack opening. In the second video it was my Xbox One, which I got Shirley, Lallana and Jay Rodriguez. In the first video I managed to get Ozil, and that was on my PS3, but I've got a few FIFA points that I want to open, so I'm just going to go ahead and open some packs. So guys, the legend cards are out. The inform team looks beast. Let's see what we can get. If I get an inform, I'm gonna go man oh man. We're gonna get in these packs. Oh, that is a disgusting pack. I'm going to save these contracts so they come in handy. Fitness cards. We don't need that. Discard. I mean, look at these players, man. They're not even worth anything at all. I've opened packs, but I haven't filmed it. I've noticed that the next gen packs, they're not so good. We've got 4 more packs, guys. Gonna be doing some happy hour packs soon, which I'll upload. Come on. Ooh. Maxis, 81 rated, not too bad. We got squad fitness, which will go for something. 28 contract. We got three more packs. 3 more, no? 2 more packs and 1 normal pack. Ooh, not bad. Totti. Oh, that pace. Daniel Sturridge! Oh, that is nice. That's a good pack. How much does he go for? Contracts again, I'm going to keep these. That was a good pack, guys. We're going to open the normal pack first, the gold one, then we're going to open the premium, so we're gonna see what we get in here. If I get an inform, guys, I'm gonna go mental. Ooh, the fuck are these lot? This pack, oh, 2,000 coins, I'll take that. But I mean, apart from that, that is a shit pack. Come on, EA. Give me a Messi at least. No, we don't have no coins. We're gonna open it with this. It's hard to do. Last pack, guys. I'll open the silver one as well. Oh, fucking hell. What the fuck is that? Backbone. Let's list the backbone. Manager contract. We don't need no manager, because we are West Brom. We don't need no manager. We're gonna quick sell those. We're gonna open that silver pack. You get always some overpowered silver players. 150. Fucking hell. Premium silver pack. Yeah, promo silver packs, but not gold. What the fuck's that about, EA? Whoa, whoa, whoa. It looked like she has pace, but 52 pace, come on. 81 pace. We'll keep him in there for now. contracts are not worth anything, but I like to keep all my contracts. I like collecting my consumables. That's the end of the pack opening, guys. Please let us know in the description who you got in the comments below, and yeah, peace.